In this comprehensive video guide, we'll walk you through the steps of mastering menu management in your website's admin area. Follow these easy instructions to create, edit, and organize menus effortlessly, ensuring an optimal user experience. Log into your website's admin area. Navigate to the Design and CMS and Menus tabs. Click the relevant button to create a new menu. Customize your preferences by turning on the Show Tips switch, and select the desired front-end appearance by clicking on the corresponding tab. Use the Search tool and expand collapse options to view and organize pages, categories, and brands. Rearrange items using drag-and-drop functionality. Explore various functions like choosing menus from the drop-down, copying menus from other channels, and exporting menu data. Rearrange menu items by dragging and dropping to adjust their order or create parent-child relationships. Add single or all categories brands as menu items, ensuring automatic updates. Select default, info, and account pages by clicking on plus icon and then choosing the required page. Add components from the list of existing components, custom link and custom catalog links by dragging them using the hand tool. Modify menu item titles, set flag to open in new tabs, set nofollow link for SEO, apply CSS classes. For custom links, set the appropriate URLs. Mastering menu management is vital for crafting a user-friendly website. By following these steps, effortlessly organize your menus and enhance navigation for your visitors. Thank you for watching and happy managing.